Hello friends! Welcome back to Exotic Recipes at Home. Today I will be making date night Mandarin Scented fried rice. Let's get into it. This recipe was shared with me by a dear friend from China. She taught me the importance of patience and letting the rice fry up with just a drizzle of oil around the edges of the pan, and the mandarins infuse an aroma that is unstoppable. Here are the ingredients I've compiled to make this date night Mandarin Scented fried rice. I've got 3 cups of cooked rice, a cup of cooked chicken, and here folks, this is what makes it date night. I've got 3 dates, and these are pitted. If you find the ones available to you are only the ones with the pits, we'll go ahead and remove those, and we're going to chop them up. This is our spicy bean paste, which is also available in major retailers. Right here in Florida, it's available at Publix or Walmart. And I've got a cup of cooked veggies and 1 Mandarin Orange and a clove of garlic. We're going to be making garlic scented scrambled eggs here in the beginning. So we're going to scramble up those eggs and set those aside while I get my pan heated up. We're going to be using our chopped garlic to infuse into the eggs. Now those dates we're going to chop up nice and fine. If you find dried dates are available to you, go ahead and use those. You may have to increase the volume to about 3 tablespoons total. So this is what our dates look like, all chopped up and with the pits removed. So I put about a teaspoon of oil into my hot pan, and we're going to toss our garlic into the hot pan and give it just a kiss of heat before we add our scrambled eggs in there. We're going to fry up those eggs, scramble them, and we're going to set them to the side so that we can place them on top of our cooked veggie and rice concoction. Scramble it up nice and hot. You don't want the garlic to burn. You just want to infuse the garlic scent into the eggs, and we're going to give it a coarse chop. So put those in a bowl after they've cooked, and then chop them up, pieces you like, big chunks, little pieces, and then we're going to set those to the side to wait to put on top of our rice as it's frying up in the rest of these steps. Great, so set those off to the side after you've chopped them up to the consistency you desire. Throw in your cooked chicken. Throw in your veggies. Fry those up nice, about 2 minutes. My chicken was it had a little bit of oil to it. If you feel like you needed a little oil because it's burning, feel free to add just a spell there. Let's segment up our Mandarin Orange here. After we add our spicy bean paste, we're going to smash it with the back of a spoon. I'm going to use 2 forks to shred that mandarin aside, just so that it's all smashed up as much as possible. And we're going to set our spicy bean paste and mandarin assortment to the side while we throw our rice on top of our chicken and veggies on top of that hot pan. Throw those dates in. Very good. Okay, so now we are ready to put our spicy bean paste mandarin flavoring on top, spoon that all over the top, and smell the aroma. Enjoy. So we're going to let that fry up. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of oil around the edge of your pan so it slides under the rice mix and begins to fry. You'll start to hear a sizzle here. That's exactly what you want. You've chopped all those eggs in there. It's frying up. You might want to add just a spell more oil if you feel it beginning to stick under the pan, but just a drizzle and let it fry. You'll hear the sizzle. And this is our end product, date night Mandarin Scented fried rice. This recipe will serve 4 to 6 portions. If there are teenagers, maybe only 3, but 4 to 6 regular sized portions. Enjoy date night Mandarin Scented fried rice.